One of our DTC Lab prototypes from our first design cycle is called Reel 'em In. Looking at a math or physics equation doesn't usually inspire and ask for more. And being able to solve those equations doesn't necessarily translate into understanding where you might apply them. So we spent some time brainstorming, and this is what we came up with, Reel 'em In. It's kind of like the show Mythbusters meets the widget Delicious. Reel 'em In looks at how popular culture could be a rich source of effective, quote, hooks to engage students in pursuing and understanding technical concepts and connecting them to everyday life, and how educators and potentially students can collaborate in building and sharing a curated library of hooks and hows. Like, say you were browsing around the web and catching up on those scenes from Spider-Man, and you saw that scene where Spider-Man jumped from the Empire State Building to another building. What does that imply about the strength of his web, the arc of the jump to get there? So as you can see, Reel 'em In enables you to install a widget right onto your web browser. Right now it only works in Firefox, but you just pull it up there and plop it in. I already have one installed, so I'm not going to install it twice. And then later on, as you are browsing the web, and say you're on YouTube again, and this time you're checking out Ghostbusters, and you see a scene that might make for a really great hook, you can just decide to reel it in. So you can pull in a variety of media content that's sitting on that site. So let's say I'm deciding the Marshmallow Man scene is a great topic. So you can decide to give it a title, Size and Strength of Marshmallow Man. And maybe choose to add a description. Is that kind of marshmallow possible? And then you just post that hook. That hook then gets added to your library of hooks, and eventually, as other people are submitting hooks, we're hoping that it'll be an easy place where you can organize your own hooks and be able to browse and search for hooks by academic and other academic areas from other folks. So finding hooks in popular culture can be time-consuming for busy teachers. Reel 'em In wants to make that easier and help organize hooks in one accessible place. So this is an example, wireframe example of perhaps a different way it might look in terms of searching. So that's a quick snapshot of Reel 'em In. If you're interested in trying it out or in helping on its development, please drop us a line.